Alright, here we go. Going into the storm. Come on, Rock. March 13th, 2017. Big nor'easter. Already foot of snow. Winds up to 60 miles an hour. Whiteout conditions. Look at this. Rocky, back off. My dog loves this. Huh, Rock?
Yeah, I like this shit, Dad.
I hope you can hear this. I'm not going to say anything. Already over a foot of snow on the ground. Hard to believe. A couple weeks ago it's 60 degrees out here. Back to winter. This is the worst storm I've seen in a long time. Imagine we're going to have multiple trees down. Alright, let's listen to that wind. Oh shit, I almost got blown over. Wow. Look at this. Hope you guys can see this. Yeah, I know I'm crazy for being out here, but what the hell. Woo! Oh, Lord, help me mercy. Got blown off my feet almost on that one. Huh, Rock? Rocky, you're just so crazy being out here, huh? This is what I call a hardcore boxer.
That's right. All right, Dad. We'll see you later.